So starting off with the transom on the Scout 240 Dorado, you'll notice we have an extended swim platform with more space between the motor and the transom. Otherwise, same setup, raw water washdown and freshwater washdown. Connections are at the transom. This boat is powered by a V8 4.6 liter naturally aspirated 300 horsepower Mercury Dorado. 4-stroke engine also includes power steering from Mercury. Reboarding ladder is on the starboard side with a dedicated entry on the starboard side with a closable and lockable door. Stern seat and port side bench seat both folds up to stowaway. When stowed, you do have a bolster. If you're doing any fishing in the cockpit, give you some more padding and protection. This live well is standard. This particular live well was upgraded with the recirculating pump option. This port side bench seat has a backrest that adjusts to face fore and aft. So in the forward position, when you rotate the observer seat to face aft, you have a cockpit table that folds down into the gunnel and extends upward. You can also rotate the seat to face aft, and it conjoins with this bench to give you more of a lounger. Beneath the seat, you've got a cooler box that drains. There's cup holders just to the port side. Over here to starboard, we've got a slide-out Yeti cooler that goes here on that track. Our wet bar area with cutting board, freshwater sink. Got a recessed area with charging ports for our devices that also is lit. This is the standard tan upholstery. Very comfortable. Looks great with the boat's interior. Garmin 8610 unit is an upgrade over the standard 9-inch. 4-inch Mercury vessel view screen, also an option. The boat comes standard with trim tabs, but also optional are the LED indicators, which you see here. Upgraded ensign steering wheel with a steering knob and a rubber back, which is on a tilt base. Our Fusion head unit, Bluetooth stereo, digital throttle and shift, fly-by-wire technology from that Mercury motor. This boat is equipped with a Bimini top that does remove. You'll notice the boat has a fiberglass windshield, which is unique to Scout on this model. This is a hand-built windshield. Looks beautiful. Really ties in with the boat nicely. Port side console is where the head is located. This is an upgraded porcelain head with an overboard discharge and a holding tank. This boat also has storage canvas for the bow and the cockpit. We've also got another freshwater sink and a overhead light. To the starboard side, we've got this block-off door that can conjoin with the windshield to keep everybody protected in the cockpit on colder days. Finished console here, great for storage. Battery switches and your overboard discharge key for the waste tank is located there. You can see our bow seating area, very deep and comfortable. Armrests that fold down. We have storage that's finished and drained beneath both seats. Cup holders, stainless steel grab handle, speakers that are built into the upholstery. Anchor locker is housed forward. We have additional rod/cup holder receivers on the foredeck, along with recessed cleats. VHF radio is also installed as an option on this boat, which you see there. Batteries are located in this A ski locker area. Great dual console boat from Scout. Very seaworthy. Seats plenty of passengers. So whether you're looking to do some general family cruising, water sports, some fishing, this boat can accommodate all. We've also got the ability to do a ski pole either from the factory or as a post-production install. This is Carl Anderson with MarineMax in Charleston. We're just off Daniel Island. Take exit 23A off Highway 526. We're the big yellow building right off the highway. If you'd like to come by and see this boat in person while it's still here, give us a call at 843-747-1889, and always check us out online at MarineMax.com. Again, Carl Anderson here, and thanks for watching.